2003 Mazda 6. We're gonna change the alternator, alright? They say it's tricky. We're about to find out. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for the support. Hit the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. We're about to show these other mechanics that it's not that crazy, alright? So yeah, the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this project. Okay. Shout outs to my subscribers. Holla at your boy. Let's get it. Disconnect the power. Alright. I don't know if you see it though, but it's the bell tensioner. Okay. Looks like it's 1/2 inch. Looks like it's kinda tight down there. Okay. I'm gonna do my best. Just gonna leave it there though because it's not coming out. Alright. I'll remove the tire. 21. Okay. Now we see the boil right there. Okay. 2 bolts. Alright. Let's get it. Why not? So it's out of my way. 13 swivel. Short 13. Break a bar, whatever. Or it's 10 though. That's for that bracket though. To make it easier for you, put a paper and it's gonna grab the bolt. Gonna grab the bolt, and all you gotta do is, this is a long ratchet, 3/8, okay? Because if you're like this, then you're gonna get tired. Put a paper so you hold the bolt, and you just do this. You don't have to hold it with the other hand. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you see the connector, the green. It's right there, the green and the gray. I gotta disconnect that just by hand. Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a pry bar, put it through here, so I can pull the green thing. Okay, one hand I'm gonna squeeze it, and with the other one I'm gonna pull it out. And it worked. See that? Okay. There it is. I don't know if you can see it right there though, but I'm gonna put the pry bar through here. Okay. And I'm gonna reach this guy, the connector. I'm gonna put the green away. Okay. So I can open this guy right here. Oh, I see you. Oh, okay. There you go. Hopefully you saw that. Just get a presser here. Okay. And then push it. I'm gonna grab this 13 quarter. Okay. Which is the better option. Put your hand through here. Go right there. And break it. See it? Right there. Okay. Hopefully you're seeing that. Once you break it, you can do it by hand. It's gonna come out. There you go. Try it. There you go. Okay. It's free. One more. Let me show you. Which is up there. You see it? That one right there. That one right there. You see it? Okay. Now hopefully you see this though. I'm putting a half-inch extension. This is a longer one though. This is 12 inches, 6 inches. Because I don't have a longer one. I have the adapter here for the from half to 3/8, then a swivel, then a 13. Because I was gonna use the impact 3/8, but okay, but I wanna do it right away. I wanna be secure that I'm gonna remove that bolt without playing too much. You know what I'm saying? Goes nothing. Let's see. There you go. Okay, it's coming out now. It came out. Okay. So it came out. Okay. This was on top. See it, you might not, but if you go straight through here, you're gonna see right there a bolt. That's the one, okay. If you go through there, through the pipes, I'm using 3/8. It's gonna be a 10 socket. You see it right there. You see it? right there. Now the alternator is dropping right now. You know the vibes. I'm gonna lower the speed though, so it doesn't kick like that. Right there. There it is. It's out. I mean down. Because now, you see it? This is it. This is 10 millimeter. This is the for the bracket on the side through the pipes. Just lose these two guys. Okay. Pretty much you're gonna have to like remove the link. Okay. Hit it with a chisel here to move the this guy. Alright, and now we put it back. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're gonna like remove it through here. You're gonna have to remove this link, the bottom one. You're gonna have to push the axle out. You don't have to remove nothing there. You don't have to remove the bracket, nothing. Okay. Hit it with a chisel, like this, here. It's gonna come out. It has to come out. That's the way I pull it out. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Put everything back. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna tie the alternator first. Then I'm gonna put the belt and then the axle at the end. Put this back. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy, and show the other mechanics that you can do it without removing all this. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to my subscribers. Shout outs to my followers. Smash the subscribe button. Do that for me. Destroy the subscribe button. Like this video. Share this video. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this project. Let me know if you're gonna do it. Let me know if you are about to do it. Now I put the bell back. Remember I left the ratchet over there? There you go, I think. Yeah.
If I was a mechanic, you wanted to be a mechanic, huh? My kids don't want to be a good client. Why?
How old are they?
20.
So right now I'm just gonna put everything back, you know what I'm saying? I hope this video was very helpful, and I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy. Shout outs to my subscribers. Destroy the subscribe button. Do that for me. Like this video, share this video, put the feedback in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this project. I'll catch you on the next one. Okay? Stay safe, and hala, boy. Estuvo, I'm out.